website is all about. And another important thing to have for on-page SEO is to have your keyword um, in the first 25 or 50 words in your content. So let's say maybe in the first paragraph, like here, you see I get my keyword, and a trick to have it also in the last 50 words of your website is to put your keyword in your copyright notice, or just put it in your content like that. And other on-page SEO factors is internal linking. So if your articles are well linked to each other, so let's say you have an article discussing nutrition for six pack abs, that links to the other your other article on ab exercises, and all those articles are well interlinked. This is good because what we call link juice. Link juice is what is like the power Google gives to your links, and as soon as Google visits sees links leading outside of your site, you're losing a bit of link juice. But it's also important to have some links leading to other sites, and especially authoritative sites. So I would advise you to put maybe one link leading to a very authoritative site, and one sure shot for that is Wikipedia. So in here I would put somewhere a link to a bodybuilding article, the bodybuilding article on Wikipedia, for example. And this shows that I know good content, and I'm linking to good content, because Wikipedia articles are always um, important to Google. What else? What else? It is argued, because the art of SEO sometimes is a kind of a black magic a bit, because nobody knows the old picture, because it's it's kind of a secret, because Google doesn't want people to know exactly what are the important factors for a web page to rank well in the search engine, because everybody will be able to trick the system if they knew exactly how it worked. So a lot of people are just guessing or trying testing, and I advise that you test stuff. But what I'm saying today is pretty much all all understood, and people are not arguing on this stuff. But some of the things, like for example putting up a XML sitemap, and if you register for my newsletter, you'll see how to set up a beautiful sitemap for visitors, as well as a sitemap like this one for especially for search engines, built especially for them to visit and see all your pages. So this is also important for on-page SEO. Google likes to see a sitemap file, but it also ensures that all your page and articles are crawled by Google, because um, this is a very important SEO factor. If some of your pages are not accessible by the Google crawler, because the way it works is the crawler ends up on your first page, for example, and then it clicks. Well, it doesn't click, but it visits every link on your website one by one. And if some links are no follow, like I would highlight no follow link, like on this page here, nothing's highlighted right now, so those links are not no follow. But let's say I had no follow links, and some pages would not be accessible because they had no follow links. Well, those pages could never be ranked in Google, because ideally you don't want just your main home page to be ranked in Google, and you want to have multiple pages ranking well in Google. because then you can target multiple audiences. So the way to do that is to target one set of keywords per page. And I don't recommend you target more than one set of keywords per page. So again, having a sitemap is important, and some argue that placing a privacy policy, a disclaimer, is important, and Google likes to see that, as well as a about page and contact page. But I recommend it also for your visitors. It shows that you're serious. And also the privacy policy and disclaimer are mandatory. If you want to do affiliate marketing, you have to specify that you're doing some commissions if someone buys your product. Okay, so what else? Meta tags are important. Let's see the page source. I just right-clicked and I now click View Page Source. Okay, here are my meta tags, and this is the description for my website. This is very important because this is what you're going to see if you search in Google. Let's search bodybuilding. Okay, so this is the text of the description meta tag. So make it something, use your keyword in that. Google announced, I think a couple of years ago, that it doesn't consider the description meta tag anymore for the rankings, but other search engines are taking it in consideration for sure. And some people doubt that Google doesn't do it, so do it anyway, and it's good for your visitors, and especially you'll have your keywords bolded. So this is good because people are looking for bodybuilding, so they want to see that the website they're going to end up in are talking about bodybuilding, are talking about their subject. Okay, so the other meta tags are the keywords meta tags. So put in your keywords here and other related keywords, and that's about it. And to set up meta tags, again, you should have a look at my video series on how I built this website here, where I'll show you. I show you in this video series how exactly to set up the meta tags. Sorry. Okay, so again, make sure that Google can crawl all your important pages, and the reason why some links you want to put some links no follow, or some sections of your website like that, is because maybe you have a section that's a duplicate, like for example, I'm just gonna go here in how to get six-pack abs. Just for your information, I put in some like a dummy articles in here. So don't look at those articles, is because I don't have a lot of time to spend on this website right now, but I wanted to put some content because it's important for your website to have content, and this is another SEO factor actually, on page SEO factor, is to have articles of maybe 400 or 500 words at least. Don't worry if they're smaller, but it's a good idea to have longer articles because Google likes a lot of content. So I've put in some dummy content from other sources here, but it's good to show you that this page here, I'm just gonna highlight. Oh, it's already done. So those. Oh, let's see here. Okay, this evaluates the on-page SEO factors of my website, and here you go. I got a warning saying that my page is not indexable, but this is voluntary. I did this on purpose because these are all the articles in the category how to get six-pack abs, because I put 2 categories on the website. But if you click on the article, you have the same exact copy, but without the other ones in the same category. And it's not good to have multiple times